They just sent me the NX, the 10,000 lumens. It's the Jdm Aster bulbs. It's the manual. It's H11 size. This is what the back looks like. It's fanless. Doesn't have a fan, so you don't hear any noise. Go ahead, Alan. Open that box. Comes with, these are what the bulbs look like. They're about, what is it, 3 or 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 LEDs on each side, so they give out a lot of light. So there's 4 LEDs on the side. There's no fan in the back. Has a gasket too for watertight seal. This is what it comes with in there. It's just the bulbs and the manual. That's about it. Bulbs look good, so alright, so now we're just gonna place them in the bumper. We have the bumper off the car already. So this is how easy it is to install it. It just goes into the fog light housing and it turns and locks into place. That's it. One bulb already in, set. Second one, it's the same way. You just put it in, push it in, turn it, lock it in place, and that's it. So then we're gonna put this back, connect the connectors, and show you. These are just as bright as HIDs. Well, almost as bright as HIDs, but they're just plug and play. There's no need for a ballast igniter and all that other stuff. So alright, so we're gonna connect everything and then show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so right now we're just plugging in the connectors one at a time. You don't have to do it this way because the other cars, you know, you just go through the fender liner, but this car didn't come with fogs. They were custom fitted, so that's why we're testing it. So right now we're going to test it to see how it looks when it lights up. Yeah, these are nice. Yeah, nice and bright. Try to get a video for you guys at night. This is what they look like. Next video will be showing you guys what they look like at night. So LED fogs, good. They're both on. These things are super bright. Night video coming soon.